Hi everybody! So today I'm going to follow a tutorial from Brad Monday, and it's how to cut layers at home. And if you watch his video, you'll actually see him doing a layered cut on a mannequin. Now, this mannequin has long hair, and he does keep her hair long as he's doing this video. So for people with short hair, I'm kind of curious if it even will work. So that's what I'm doing. For all you with short hair out there, let's see if this tutorial will work for us as well. All right, so our first step is to wet our hair and get the conditioner in it so that it's manageable, and then we can get started. Okay, so my hair is wet and has conditioner in it. I used the sink to wet my hair. You guys can use a shower or whatever. The spray bottle here, just to keep it wet as it starts to dry while you're cutting your hair if it takes you a while. Um, so our next step, according to Brad's tutorial, sorry, I got some hair in my eye, is to section the hair into 4 quadrants. So we do that by first parting our hair down the middle. I mean, that's fairly middle. It's middle enough. Okay. So it's in the middle. Then we're going to take the high point of our head, which I believe is here for me. And we're going to section that point to behind the ear. We're going to take that and go down behind our ear. And bring that part forward and this part back. Alright, so this is one section up front here, so I'm going to, because my hair is so short, I'm going to go ahead and drop my comb and try to flip this so that it's out of the way. There we go, so beautiful. So gorgeous. Okay, and then, okay, now that I got my comb back, I'm going to take that high point and go down behind this ear and bring it forward. Okay, so pretty. Now, the next thing we want to do is go down the center of the back of the head and hopefully get a good middle part. Oh gosh. So I'm going to be super honest with you. Doing this by yourself at home, that might take a few tries. So let's try this again. Okay, so definitely not the easiest thing to do by yourself, but it could be partially manageable. Click here. All right, so our next step is to cut for length. But I obviously am fine with the length it's at because it's so short. But if you had longer hair at that point, you would cut to where you want your longest pieces to be. But yeah, he'll show you that if you wanted to go to his tutorial to see about cutting length. But I'm skipping that part since I already have a short haircut and I'm fine with the length of that. All right, next up, guys, the layers. So the first thing I need to do is take triangle sections from the back 2 sections, and all right, so that's the first thing. So I have to unflip both of these. Okay. Okay, I think I did it. There we go. All right, so these, and he said don't make it too big, guys. So I'm not. I'm making this kind of like a maybe 2-inch by 1-inch kind of section. I don't know. Not sure what I'm doing here, but I'm trying. All right, and then I have to take a small strand from the front of it. So here's the front of it. Taking this small strand. Here we are. Semi-small. And then we're twisting this so that we don't lose it. Hopefully. My hair's so short. Okay, so this strand here, I have to cut it where I want it to land on, like, so if I take it down, like, where do I want my shortest strand to land? So his tutorial for long hair recommended like cheekbone, I think it was, cheekbone or lower. This bare like just goes to my cheekbone already. I mean, that's a good couple inches, honestly, because it's the, but you know, get rid of the dead end. Whatever. Let's try it. All right, so here we go. I'm taking off this piece. Boop, it's gone. There it goes. Little tail looking thing. Okay, so there's the length right there that I'm going to be striving for the rest of this video. I'm going to go back into that triangular piece that I had, okay, and pull it all up. I don't want to lose that. Okay, there it is. A little hard to see, but I'm going to pull it up and find that short piece that I just cut, and then cut the rest to it. Okay, there we go. So we got, stick to my fingers really easily. Okay, I think that looks pretty straight. That's pretty good. Okay, so now we're going to continue on doing that. We're pulling a triangular section, little pieces, little spots each time, pulling it up and cutting to that part, that short area. Taking triangular. This is so difficult. So, I mean, Brad was saying you could do this by yourself at home. This is a little difficult, Brad. I'm not gonna lie. This is not easy. Well, it looks like I'm barely even cutting anything at this point, um, because it's all meeting up. All right, guys, I'm gonna be ballsy. I'm gonna go shorter and see what happens. Okay. Okay. I'm doing this for you. All right, so we're gonna take our sections of the small triangle up at the top of our head again. All right. I'm going to take the front piece here. Okay. All right, we're going to go here. Yep, here it goes. Gone. Just whipping it off. All right. I'm going to take those sections and do both this time because then it'll be easier to follow along, like right there. I'm scared. I'm so scared, guys. Okay. It's like right there. A lot of hair. Okay, nope. Oh. Oh my god, I just got a lot of hair. That's gonna be crazy. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's a lot of hair. Okay, so that's where I'm now going to try to get all the hair connected to. Let's see. God, I'm scared now. Okay, let's part it back down the middle. I can't believe I just did that. I have no idea how this is gonna look. I'm nervous now. I'm genuinely freaking out a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to take my triangular pieces. I'm going to comb it straight up. It's too late now. Oh, what am I doing? Straight up. Next section on. This is insane. If I'm gathering more and more hair, I think I need to like, I'm not sure. I'm trying not to cut myself. Okay. Oh, yep, that's the piece I missed. Okay, let's go get that. This is so hard. Brad, I blame you. This is supposed to be easy. I look at these more big thing, and I almost lost it. I'm getting really close to the point where it's meeting up with each other, I think. Okay. Yeah, for the rest of my hair back here, it doesn't even come up that high. So that's the end of that. I don't know, it looks like it might be okay. Oh, I'm scared. So that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to take each section and go a little bit lower in each thing. I'm going to go through the rest of it and then we will see where we ended up. So now we're down to the front. So I'm going to show you guys just a little bit doing the front section and taking this piece right here. Now this is going to be easier to do a triangular section. There we go. Because I can see it. We have our short section. And give it a nod. Keep it taut. Keep it taut, guys. The things just don't remember close. I'm gonna finger issues. Okay. And here's another section. Okay. Definitely still not easy with these fingers. Like, I don't know if maybe my fingers have issues. Okay. Not bad. Okay. Alright. so we're just going to keep doing that all the way down, and just take section by section, pull it up, cut where that guide is, and keep working your way down as hard as you can. So I'm very interested to see what's going to come out of that. I'm just going to take this little bit here that I missed. Okay. Really careful because I don't want to take a lot off and have. Okay. And now I'm going to go and do this side. Alright, both sides and fronts are all cut. Same thing happened on this side. Once I got up to the bang, that was pretty much the same length as what the shortest pieces that I cut, which is, I don't know how I managed to do that, but I did, which is awesome. Alright, so the next thing that we're supposed to do is we have to refine our hairs. So we're going to pull one side of the front forward. I'm going to leave my bang alone, but you do see here, okay, where it's kind of a little shaggy. I'm going to cut at an angle. I'm taking the very littlest amount off to go like that, but I'm not touching my bang. I'm going to leave my bangs alone, okay? Alright, I'm going to do the same thing. Bring this front forward. Here's my bang, and I don't want to cut that. So I'm just going to cut this little piece is the shortest. And forward. A little at an angle. Okay. I just want to make sure that both sides are, pretty close to the same. Yeah, we did pretty good. Not bad, guys. Okay, cool. We did all right. Now the next thing I'm going to do is dry my hair, and we're going to see what we got going on. All right, so I'm really not hating it. It definitely you can see the layers. Like there's some that are quite blunt, but I don't mind that. I actually like that piecey kind of look, especially when I do that. Gives it a little something extra, and the back's not bad. It's good. I'm happy with it. I think it looks really cute. There's not any shelving going on. For anybody who's not into that PC type of look, the suggestion was going through with the thinning shears. I'm happy with it. So it makes me look cute. So it can work with short hair. And I do suggest having someone help you with the back part of your hair. But if you're doing it alone, just go for it. Try it. I mean, I did it. I'm not a professional. It was difficult, but I still managed. So even though it wasn't my favorite thing to do by myself, I made through it. It's okay. So you can do it too. So thank you everyone for watching my video, and thank you Brad for making your tutorial, and I will see everyone again soon in my next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, see you soon.